Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we talk about investing, trading and everything in between. Today we want to talk about the importance of time frames. Time frame is really important for every kind of trading or investing. And it doesn't matter if you're trading in cryptocurrencies, currency pairs, commodities, or even share market. The importance of time frame is that you have to know what kind of time frame you're working in and where to get your confirmation from. But first you have to know what is the time frames and how can you use them. The most important time frames that pretty much everyone use are 1 minute chart, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily. Now, the difference between these is depending on you and how you're going to look at the market. If you are planning to trade for long term, then it doesn't really make sense to go and trade in 1 minute chart. You have to start and trade on 4 hours or daily market. Why? Because that time frame is best representing what you need. But if you're planning to start trading in a shorter time, then it doesn't really make sense to trade in 1 hour or 4 hours. Actually, in 1 hour you can trade in short time. It's considered as a short term or mid term, but you really can't trade in daily or 4 hours. And then you have to start thinking about 15 minutes, 5 minutes, or 1 minute. But make sure that you know all about news and every possibilities for that day if you're going to trade in 1 minute or 5 minutes, because those are the most volatile time frames that we have. Every news in the market can have big impact on smaller time frames. Instead, in big time frames like daily or H4, 4 hours, the impact of news are much smaller. For most of the time in time frames like daily and 4 hours, you can't say if there was news or not because it's really not represented in the chart. I guess the key word here is that every time frame requires different strategy or different personality. And I think you should make sure that you are trading in the right time frame in regard to your targets, depending on the daily profit or loss, or even the strategy you're using and how that can fit in the time frame you're trading in or investing. One more important thing to mention is that if you want to have the best technical analysis, you are better off trading in higher time frames, as they have built up more data in each candle. But in smaller time frames, you can't really rely on technical analysis only for itself. You have to have every other details in the market, such as news or even sudden hype in the market. News can be anything from earning for a company to even unemployment rates for currency pairs. And the further you go down in the smaller time frames, it requires more of skills. As they usually say, the further you know, you are better off going in smaller time frames. But if you are new to this market, my advice is to start from 4 hours or daily and then make your way down to 5 minutes or 1 minute if you desire so. I am currently making some videos about how to trade and how to start trading, and they are available for free. If you haven't watched the first couple of videos, I strongly advise that you start from the beginning of these videos and then work your way up. This is the last video of theories about trading or investing that I'm going to make. And from the next video, we are more hands-on and we go through charts and see how we can deal with different situations and what are the necessary tools that we need in order to be able to trade. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't done it so, subscribe and like, and comment me anything or any questions that you have, and I make sure to answer all of them. See you in the next video. Bye.